com raiva. Oh, João, Araújo. Oh, 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 oh. João de Araújo. Who are you? Oh, who are you? No one knows your story. No one except this street. Just this street. Just your name on this street. Oh, 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 oh. João de Araújo. Who are you? Oh, who are you? João de Araújo. Who are you? Oh, who are you?
So I'm in the middle of the street called João de Araújo, and you can see Lisboa Casino all the way down to the end. And usually I'll try to do a whole street, but I know if I go all the way down, I'll just be coming back and it'll basically look like this. But it gets really interesting when I go down in here, because I'm going to be following this little labyrinth into this, and that's kind of more what I want to do, is go down that way. So so we're going to show you what this street looks like a little bit, give you an idea. And you get another idea of the street, but we're going to be focused. It's cool. Chinese lantern looks brand new. But we're going to be focusing on João de Araújo. Okay, we got a Macau one. João de Araújo, which I mispronounced badly. Sorry about that. But this is a street. I'm going to be. You can see some of it in the video part, anyways. That was at the beginning. Now you can see it up on the map as well. And basically, I don't know the history of the street. I can't really find information about it, but basically it's a place in Portugal, and I guess it's kind of near Galicia, Spain as well. It's like maybe on the border, I guess, maybe a small town. So maybe the street is named after somebody that had some connection to this area historically in Macau. This area is way up north, so it's maybe, you know, it's hard to say. I'm just going to speculate that some guy from Portugal lived on that street. And it was maybe like more of the rural part historically a long time ago, and it got named after him. I don't know. Anyways, I know what you really want to do is you want to walk down the street as if you were there yourself. Got some lyrics right here from the music, and let's just do that. Let's do walk and talk time. All right. João de Araújo. Hua. So pretty cool little lantern. So okay, so I'm going to that would be the start of our street down that way, but we're going to actually go the other direction. So let me go into the middle of the road real quick. And now you can see the casino right there. But we're gonna do something a little bit different. Check out these tall buildings everywhere. But we're gonna be walking into that little maze over there. The street goes through this, like a temple and kind of interesting stuff. And I want to capture that part of the street. And I'm not going to do the whole street from the beginning, but you can see where it would go, about one block that way. And it looks kind of similar. Let me go back so you can see exactly where it is. So you can see it looks kind of similar when I'm on the road like that. And then yeah, there's Lisboa right there as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep on going down. Check out this yellow building. There's like circular windows like that. There's a circular one right there too. It's kind of cool. Okay. We're gonna come into this little street, right? This little park right here, where you can work out as well. And it'll get kind of interesting. So we are gonna come through here, and then when we get into this alley, then we're gonna come into another part of the street as well. That'll all make sense in a minute. There's actually little things in here too, so we could actually go through that way as well. But this is interesting right here. Oh, that's interesting. Taobao, order to go. These are things for getting stuff from the mainland China. Yeah, I'll just keep going this way. So our street keeps going through this space. And we'll keep following it all the way down. Yeah, it keeps on going. We're in this Patani area, so this is Pedra Street down that way. I haven't filmed it recently. Barca is this way too. And then down this way it goes towards the temple. But we're gonna keep on going down our street, but I want to capture the temple a little bit as well. So this is really pretty. The lion, the guard. Okay, so that's kind of on our way, this beautiful little temple right here. And I am going to, I guess we're going to go all the way down this way and continue down our street. Let me see, this is called Barca Street. And I'm going to go down like this. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down João. There's some interesting stuff along the way. There's a little, I have filmed in there in a while before, but our anniversary street goes down this way. João de Araújo. There's sort of interesting things everywhere in here. I just like how this little makeshift home is right here. I think this one is like, that has an interesting name, Travessa do Cordeiro. I've looked at that, something like, oh, yeah, this is another interesting spot to film. Anyways, this is not our focus. But I like it because it's right off of the street. I like this area. This area is called Patani. Patani is named after an older village. So historically there was a town called Patani Village. Let me just check something out real quick here. So we're going to be walking down that way in a minute. But there's also these old shop house homes that I really think are cool. I don't see that many of these in Macau, but I do see them. They're around. They're usually abandoned when I see them. But you know, you have like your shop right there, and then you have this balcony, and they're usually like disrepair like that, trees going on top of it. Yeah. This is Alegria. Okay. Got mechanic right there. So we are going to keep on going down our street. You are getting another slice of Macau. Another balcony rooftop up there. This style looks kind of interesting. It's like it's such a big different mix of architectural styles in Macau. And I see these in Taipa. These are those tall buildings, but then they'll have like Like that's up on the 4th or 5th floor with a rooftop already, so people that live there can enjoy like their own space. You see, it's kind of cool little space right there. This road looks, I filmed all these streets, but this one looks kind of dark. It looks kind of interesting. I kind of want to film it. There's even like apartments up there too, balconies and such. So we're going to be coming up to the end of this one, and then we'll end our video. Yeah, this whole area is Patani. So Patani Village used to be its own little place. We'll just come up to the main street. So now we're going to come to the end of it. Then you have this kind of wall of apartments here. And now we're just on this main road right here. And then this will be the end of the video. Just gonna walk across real quick, get the red light, I know, but okay. So that's the end of the video. So this is our target street right here. Then way down here you can also see the Lisboa all the way to the end. So we got another section of Macau. We got trees growing up there on top of the rooftop. Okay, let's end it right here.